Oh my God. Don't come off. Don't come off. I'm shaking right now. Alright guys, we're out here at this little tiny pond. I don't even know if there's fish in here. I know there's carp in here a long time ago. When I worked at, it's right by this pizza shop I used to work at. And trying to get on the board for you guys to get on some fish. Got that new YouTube tournament going on between some content creators and stuff with Gmoneystrong Outdoors. So I'm trying to do that, trying to get on some fish. I just got off work, early morning. It's probably 8 o'clock right now, I think. I'm gonna see if I can get a little topwater action. It's been warm, so I'm hoping to get something. I've caught one bass this year, and then it wasn't even on camera. I was really disappointed, but I'm gonna try this little pond, try to see if I can get something cool out of here. I don't think it's fished very much, kind of gross, so we're just gonna see what comes up out of it. I really don't know if I'm even gonna get a hit out of here. Like I said, I don't even think, there might not even be any fish left. It's been a minute since I've been here, or even fished it. I don't even think I fished it, like actually fished it before. I'm gonna try this little soft plastic frog. Ooh, I see a wake of something coming up. Let's try a little sink. Oh, something picked it up. Something did. I mean, this pond is pretty gross. All kinds of slime, snot grass. They still might be sluggish for topwater, I don't know. I heard somebody was catching them on topwater here in Indiana, but I have yet to succeed. Are you kidding me? I just saw one hit topwater. Oh my God. And I seen him bolt out. I seen the wake. They're out here. Son of a... Go! Oh my God! That's big! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Don't come off! Don't come off! I knew they were in here. Woo! Oh my God! Look at that thing! Oh, dragging the jig across it! Oh my God! Oh my God! Woo! Oh, thank God! Oh my God, I knew they were in here. Jeez, OP. Oh, I gotta get a weight on him. Scared the crap out of me. Woo, Gmoneystrong Outdoors, baby. Spring bass open. Woo. Oh my God, it got my heart going. I'm shaking right now. Calm down, Jay. You're all right. Okay. Zero. Come on. 0. 4 pound, 1 ounce. Oh my God. Out of the pepperoni pond, baby. Woo! God, I cannot believe it. Oh. Gotta get a picture of this little baby. Whew, she's fat too. I need to get her back over where I caught her. Okay, it was right here. All right. 4 pound 1 ounce, baby. That's incredible. Gmoneystrong Outdoors. Woo! All right. Get you back in there, girl. There she goes. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! God, I got my blood going. God, they're in here. I knew it. Jig right across. Oh, there's a little trigger crawl on there. I was dragging it right across here. She smacked it right on top. Whew. Oh, I gotta take a second. That was awesome. Whew. Whew. Jeez. That's gonna do it for me, guys. I'm gonna end it on her. Been throwing that little frog top water, been throwing up against the banks and nothing. And then I put on this jig and reeling it back in from casting it out there, and she smokes it right by me, right at the bank, just right at my feet. That was so awesome. Yes, 4 pound 1 ounce Gmoneystrong Outdoors spring bass open. That's the way to start it for me, guys. Okay. I'm gonna get off here. I need to go to bed, but hope you guys like the video. Remember, like, subscribe, share, comment. That'd really help me out, guys. Can't wait to get back out here and get some more fish. We'll see you.